Are you trying to decide between Notchnook and Alcove? You're in the right place. Today, we'll compare these two tools to help you make the best choice. Both Notchnook and Alcove are designed to enhance your productivity and streamline your workflow. They aim to make your tasks easier and more efficient. Let's start with Notchnook. This tool focuses on providing a clean and organized workspace. It allows you to manage your projects with ease. You can track tasks, set deadlines, and collaborate with your team. Notchnook also offers customizable features, making it adaptable to your needs. Now, let's look at Alcove. Alcove is all about communication and connectivity. It helps teams stay in touch through messaging and video calls. You can share files and work together in real time. Alcove emphasizes teamwork, making it great for remote groups. So, what are the main differences? Notchnook is more project focused, while Alcove shines in communication. If you need a tool to manage tasks, Notchnook is your best bet. However, if your priority is staying connected with your team, Alcove is the way to go. When it comes to features, Notchnook offers task management tools, reminders, and progress tracking. Alcove provides video conferencing, chat options, and file sharing. Both tools have their strengths depending on what you need. In terms of pricing, Notchnook typically offers tiered plans based on features. Alcove may have a subscription model with different levels as well. It's best to check their websites for the latest details. In conclusion, if you are looking for a project management tool, choose Notchnook. If communication is your main focus, go with Alcove. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.